Someone asked, how do I draw Alice's hair like in this video? Let's learn. First, create a new layer above the fourth layer to color her hair. Fill the hair with peach color first. Add another layer. Press clipping, open blending mode, then switch to screen tone and select .L16. After that, we will add a gradient to her hair using black color with an airbrush. We can't use other colors because it will create dots underneath her hair. It'll look something like this. So how do we turn black to any color? First, open the layer, press 3 dots below the trash icon, and press Rasterize. Once rasterized, open FX or filter, press change drawing color, then select the strawberry color, and there you go. Next, I will add shading and lighting. That's how I color her hair. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and I'm looking forward to your comments. Happy creating!